You know, Inky, you were quite right. Actions do help me learn the sounds. Is my favourite nasty noise.
Putting my tail in the grooves helped me. S is my favourite sound.
It would be, Snake. I like making letters in the air. Can you guess this one?
No? Have we had breakfast?
Oh, Snake. Is right, though. Now, let me test you both. Tell me which letters these are.
Tennis. T.
Yes.
Tapping the egg. Eh. Are you sure we had breakfast?
Snake. Now, how about reading some words? First one, B. Say the sound and listen for the word. Now, this is not a word I like.
T. What's that?
Remember, say the first sound louder and whisper the others.
Cat. I can read cat.
Good, Bee. Let's put the cat under the cat. Now for the next one.
N. That's not right.
You forgot the N at the start. You need to know your sounds well, so you don't stop halfway. Try again and say them quickly.
Net. Net. Of course. I knew it all along.
Last one before we go for a walk. Snake?
Dress. I like an extra s.
Oh, sorry, Snake. I forgot to tell you. If there are two sounds the same, you only say one sound. So it's D-R-E-S.
Dress. Dress.
Right. Well, as it's a fine sunny Sunday, let's go for a walk by the river. Are you coming?
Sorry, Inky, but I need to go and collect some pollen from the flowers.
But I thought you were both going to play bat and ball with me.
I'm not big enough to play bat and ball. Unless, of course, you want me to be the ball.
That's the idea. Here's the bat. Yeah. Only kidding. And here's the ball.
Did you know that a bat and a ball put together are just like the B in our third book? So to write it, you must start at the top, as it is a tall letter.
Go down the bat, bounce halfway, and round the ball. B, b, b. The sound is like hitting the ball with a bat. Listen. B, 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 b.
Now, no playing bat and ball indoors. You might break Phonics' screen, and then what would we do?
Oh, well, we can't play outdoors either. Look.
Oh no, it's raining. I can't gather any pollen now.
I can never go out, even when it's sunny.
All together.
Oh, what's that?
Oh, no. Thunder and lightning.
Oh, well, maybe it's just a passing shower.
I think you had better switch me off in case lightning strikes and I blow a fuse.
Oh, I'll do that. What do I do?
You press the switch from on to off.
Phonic be all right?
Oh, yes. I've done it before. He always comes back to life again.
On, off. On, off. Oh, oh, oh. The off sounds just like the switch going off.
That's right. Do you know how to write an O?
No.
It's very easy. You
Start at the top.
go back around caterpillar K and all the way round to the top. The letter O.
Ooh, I like that one. It's just like me when I'm asleep.
Oh! Well, don't go to sleep now.
No.
Well, why not? I can't play bat and ball. Phonic can't teach us anything now. It's not dinner time yet, so I might as well go to sleep.
And I can't fly home as my wings would get wet. Can't we do something here?
Good idea. We can do tricky words instead.
Tricky words?
Yes. I'll go and get my tricky word hat.
Tricky
word
hat.
Tricky word hat.
This is my tricky word hat with 3 tricky words on top. Can you read them? Ta-da!
They don't look very tricky to me.
Nor me.
What's tricky about them?
There are some words that you can't read simply by saying the sounds. For example, try this one.
A, R, E. A, R, E. A, R. It doesn't make sense.
You see, you can't sound it out. It's one of the tricky words. You just have to remember them. So every time you see A, R, E, you know it says ah. We are learning to read. To help you remember, say the letters and practice writing the word in the air.
Ah.
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 Now try this one.
S, A, I, D. S, A, I, D. No, I can't get it. Please tell us, Inky.
Said.
Oh. Said. S-A-I-D spells said.
That is a tricky one.
So, this tricky one was
Ah, ah,
Bravo Bee. And this one was
said, said.
You were quick, Bee.
I was, wasn't I?
Now try this one.
T-H-E. 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 Oh, give up. What is it?
The. So, altogether we have
Ah, said, and the.
excellent. Now, I've got lots more things we can do until it stops raining.
Oh, goody! It is dinner time!
No, it's not. You don't eat this. You can draw an egg person on it. There are also some stencilettes to help you draw some pictures. Well done, everybody. Wasn't that fun?
Oh, yes.
Wow, Snake! You finished lollipops quickly.
I love licking lollipops.
I like the lemon bits.
Your licking sounds like the L sound. And the stick we have left looks like L. But what's missing?
The joining tail.
Right. Well, it looks as though all the thunder and lightning has stopped, but it's still raining.
Oh, what a lot of water. It's like a river. Lucky Snake gave me this umbrella. It can keep me dry.
Look, the handle of the umbrella is shaped like the letter E, just like in the middle of the word sun. I wonder if we'll see the sun again today.
I can see something else. Oh, goody! Fish for supper!
No, it's not. It's only a...
Big juicy fish! Let me get it!
No,
Oh, no, Snake.
Stop, Snake. You
Oh.
can't eat it. It's not a real one. It's made of plastic.
Are you sure it's not real? Listen, it's making a very funny sound.
Oh, why's it gone flat?
Because you made a hole in it and all the air has come out. It's amazing how many sounds you can hear when you really listen.
Oh, listen to the strain here. It's making a great gurgling sound. Glug, glug, glug. It's just like the sink in our book, with the water going round and round.
Oh, yes. And like the action for G, going round and round. It's a shame Phonics missing all this. There's no thunder and lightning anymore, so I think it's safe to switch him back on. There you are, Phonic. The storm's all over now. And there's some more pictures for you.
Oh, good. Have I missed very much?
You've missed lots, especially new sounds. We did for umbrella.
An umbrella like this? You'd better learn how to write it.
Start at the top.
Down and round and up, then straight back down to the joining tail.
And outside we had fun with a fish going until it was flat.
Was it a bit like this? Now, to write fur, you
Start at the top.
round and down and put a stick across.
And there was a drain where all the rainwater was going down, just like it does in the sink. Gurgle, gurgle, glug, glug.
G, 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 till all the water's gone, gone, gone. Did you know that the sound g is another one of the caterpillar k family? It starts with the caterpillar k, goes up, and then down under to the tail.
Look! The rain's gone now and the sun's come out again. Great. Maybe we'll get our walk today after all.
Well, I'm not going out until the sun's dried up all those puddles. So I'm going to have 40 winks.
Snake.
Well, you're not as close to the ground as I am. I get awfully wet.